Okay, let's jump right into this quick explainer on securely installing StreamFire onto your Firestick. We're going to break this whole process down into 4 super simple phases.
Phase 1. Prepping your Firestick to accept third-party apps.
Starting at your home screen, just navigate over to Settings, select My Fire TV, and hit About. Now click your device name 7 times to become a developer. Then, just enable unknown sources. Moving on to Phase 2, getting the Downloader app. Back on the home screen, click Find, search for the word Downloader, and select it. Go ahead and download the app. Once that quick install finishes, just open it right up. Phase 3, downloading Norofire. Since Amazon blocked StreamFire, we actually have to install Norofire first. Here's a great little shortcut. Simply enter the code 730116 right into your downloader app. With that code entered, just scroll down to the Utility Apps section and select Norofire. Once it finishes downloading, hit Install. And remember to delete the APK file afterwards to save space. Finally, Phase 4, safely installing the StreamFire app itself. Open up that Norofire app you just got, cap permissions, and grant access when it prompts you. Allow Norofire to install unknown apps, then hit your back button to return to the main interface. Choose StreamFire from the list, click Install twice, and you are totally ready to launch. One crucial tip for your safety, always use a VPN to encrypt your connection with third-party apps.